Why do you think they called you Bulldozer? I want to get that foundation.
No one called me Bulldozer. I called myself.
Oh, it is you who introduced the name to yourself.
Exactly.
I now understand.
The name Bulldozer came when I was in high school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Were you bullying students, or why did it come out? Were you a bully? Did you complete the school at the expected time? Because that was the main goal of going to Chuka University. Did you complete your studies at the intended time?
Not really.
What happened?
Actually, I walked out of school.
What do you mean? Why?
Yeah, I walked out of school. Time nilikuwa narudi, hata the VC aliniuliza, kwani ulikuwa unatoka shule, ulikuwa unadhani ni village yenye unakuja tu unatoka ukienda. But